Alright folks, tonight's project has been the installation of a lawn striping kit on this Cub Cadet GT54D Fab lawn tractor. And these kits are very similar, so if you have a different lawn tractor, it should be, in terms of the parts and all of that, very similar in orientation. Let's go ahead and take a quick look under the lawn tractor as to what you're going to encounter. I do apologize, I did not take video as the installation was being done. I didn't have the energy, the patience, or even the time to do that this evening. But here is the lawn striping kit. It consists of 3 separate rollers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fasteners. Those are 14 millimeter self-tapping bolts, and you will have to exert force to get those to go into the back of the fabricated deck. The instructions call for you to remove the deck from the lawn tractor. You don't have to do that. As long as you have a lift or some way to get the mower in the air, as I have it here, it'll work out just fine. You do have to exhibit some patience. You're going to need ratchet, socket, some extensions, and just generally exercise some patience, and everything will work out just fine. Now, in addition to the 6 fasteners that are holding the brackets to the deck, there is one bolt here on the end, and that bolt is a 19 millimeter. So a total of 7 fasteners, the 6 14 millimeter self-tapping bolts, and then the one 19 millimeter that holds this securing rod in place. I'm going to walk around to the back of the lawn tractor here real quickly. Sorry for staring at the sky for a second, but you get a look here in the back, and you can see this is what it looks like from the rear. You can see 1, 2, 3 brackets. So I'm out of breath, out of energy, but I hope this is helpful to any of you that attempt this installation. I will put the part number for this kit in the description.